The collision centers has become a very competitive industry. Being able to use tools like AllData for all makes and all models to be able to present the OEM recommendations back to not only the customers but to the insurance companies is something that's really helped us growing our business.
It's important to have access to the OEM procedures.
Technology is rapidly changing and we need up-to-date procedures. AllData Collision makes my job easier by giving me OEM information on collision repair procedures to repair the cars to pre-accident condition.
The AllData scan tool is super easy to use. So I use the AllData scan tool when vehicles come into the shop. That way I can check pre and post scan, make sure there's no history codes or anything on prior to the accident.
I would recommend AllData to my peers because it is very easy to use and it has a lot of information so that I can repair almost any vehicle that comes into our shop.
And AllData helps us make sure that we're maintaining that integrity.